Matala Beach is located on the island of Crete, Greece, and is one of the great destinations for tourists who love the sea and local culture. With a long coastline and fine white sand, Matala offers a peaceful and quiet space, the ideal place to relax and enjoy moments with family and friends. The climatic environment in Crete, a beautiful land located in the south of Greece, is characterized by diverse geographical features and blue waters. With a warm Mediterranean climate and dry summers, Crete attracts visitors with its long sunny days and beautiful natural landscapes. During diving trips in Matala, you can encounter fish species such as seahorses and barracudas, along with schools of colorful groupers and salmon. In addition, you can also encounter sea worms, scallops, and many other types of plankton living on the seabed or in underwater coral reefs. With sexy bikinis and shiny brown skin, they create a sexy and lively scene on the beach. Their vibrant looks and bright smiles make the beach brighter than ever. Matala Beach in Crete, Greece, has had a significant impact on the country's tourism industry. With stunning landscapes, clear blue seawater and fine white sand, Matala attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world every year. However, the growth of tourism also poses challenges in terms of environmental protection and maintaining ecological balance. Sustainable management and protection of special areas such as coral reefs and natural heritage sites is essential to preserve the beauty of Matala into the future. Thank you everyone for taking the time to enjoy the beautiful images we shared on Wandering Channel. We hope that these images have brought you moments of relaxation and the feeling of traveling right where you are. Don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe button and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of the next new videos.